इधर देखो, यहाँ देखो, फोन देखो। बाय एयर कार्ड बोलो जोर से, बाय एयर कार्ड। कहाँ जाते हैं तुम्हें? कहीं को भालू के पास जाते हैं। मंकी के पास कहीं को जाते हैं तुम्हें? अच्छा, तुमने ये रूम पसंद है कि दोनों? नो, मॉर्निंग रूम पसंद है। Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're watching the day 3 vlog of Aircard. Sorry for posting a bit late as I was occupied with my personal work. So as you can see, it is the last day at Aircard and it's morning. So after getting ready, we are heading to complete our breakfast. We were actually late. By the time we reached the restaurant, most of the people had already left after finishing their breakfast and we were the last. So we missed out few of the dishes, but it's okay. I have tried to cover whatever I could in the restaurant area. So do watch and enjoy. So this is the sit out area of the restaurant. Basically you can sit and have your breakfast and enjoy the hill view, and it was so beautiful. We really liked this area. It was very quiet as we were the one who were left out after the breakfast time was over. So it was very calm and relaxing. We really enjoyed some time over here. As it was the last day, we spent some time exploring the resort, and we did some photo shoot, and we also recorded some videos for YouTube and reels. So yeah, we spent some time over there, and also we enjoyed the beauty of the resort. It is such a huge resort and very lovely place. Zohan spent some time in play area, both indoor and outdoor. He enjoyed. We wanted him to play very well because we mainly took this vacation just for Zohan to enjoy and explore the outside world. And it was time to check out, so we quickly completed our checkout formalities. Though there was still time, we wanted to finish our lunch and then leave Aircard. So we spent some time in reception area and we did some photo shoot, and then we left the resort. It was very nice staying in this Aircard resort. Even the Brooks resort was equally good, but this was quite huge when compared to Brook, and we were very much happy and satisfied with our stay here. Aircard Sterling Resort is very next to Ladies Seat Viewpoint. It is a tourist attraction spot, and outside the ladies viewpoint they had arranged for this pony ride, and it's not a horse ride, it's a pony ride. So Zohan loves horses and he loves ponies as well, so we wanted him to experience the pony ride, and he really enjoyed it. He was not at all scared. In fact, he enjoyed the ride. We then had our lunch. We ordered chicken fried rice, 2 plates of pepper kada chicken, and we also ordered khushka, along with egg. So we quickly completed our lunch and we headed to waterfalls, which was actually a long drive. Are we going to falls?
Absolutely not, because we have Zohan with us. So sources says that at least we have to walk around half a kilometer. Okay. So it is very difficult in this
and 200
conditions.
Steps.
Yes, plus 200
down.
Steps and half a kilometer. Zonu, is that possible, Zonu? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no, Zonu? No. See, even he is not interested. So let's go back.
Okay.
Bye.
There was a tandoori tea stall. We had our tandoori chai, and it was really refreshing and affordable too. I think this was the only stall of tandoori chai which we found in Aircard. So if in case you know any other stall where tandoori tea is available in Aircard, then do let us know in the comment section. On our way back from Aircard's waterfalls, we found a nursery place, like where they sell all those small plants. We found such a nursery place, and we wanted to buy some beautiful plants for our home, so we got few.
இது இதெல்லாம் எவ்வளோ? 10 ரூபா. பெருசா அது? பெருசா வளருமா? எல்லாம் கொடி
இல்லைன்னு உங்களுக்கு ஹேங்கிங் வளர்ந்தாலும்
இந்த ரெட் பிளாட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, அதுவா? அப்படியே செவுத்துலேயே போகுமே
அந்த கிரீன் டார்க் கிரீன், அதுல இன்னொரு வெரைட்டி. ஆனால் அது வந்து டேஞ்சரஸ். அது சின்ன ஒரு ஆணியோட ஒரு ஓட்டை இருந்தாலும் அதுக்கு போயிட்டு கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு ஷேப்பே மாறும். ஷேப்பே மாறி ஒரு மாதிரி காய் பிடிச்சி துவரணும், ஆபத்து வந்துடும். இது வந்து அந்த மாதிரி போகாது, கட்டாயம் போகாது. அதில் 2 கலர் இருக்கு.
சரி, என்ன கலரு?
இது வந்து வெளியே வெயில் அடிக்கக்கூடிய அளவுக்கு இருந்தால் மஞ்சள் கலர் வந்து.
சரி.
இது வந்து இந்த மஞ்சள் கலர் ஒரு அளவை கத்தாலாம்.
சரி.
இந்த ஏற்காடு எல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கல, அந்த பச்சை கலர்ல இவ்வளவு இருந்துட்டு.
ஆமாம்.
அதுல மஞ்சள் கலர்.
சரி,
பியூர் மஞ்சள்.
I really don't remember the nursery's name, but there are so many nurseries for plants, and you can simply step into any nurseries in Aircard and get your own plants. They are very affordable. I think it starts from 10 rupees. You have plants starting from 10 rupees you can buy. There are so many oil plants, small plants, which you can easily buy for your home. And then we started back to our home. We left Aircard and we started our travel back to our home. इधर देखो, यहाँ देखो, फोन देखो. Buy Aircard बोलो जोर से. Buy Aircard. here my husband is showing the route, which is Dharmapuri route, where it is called as accident prone area. So that's how it is. It is shown in the map. Like you can see some curvy roads, and it is mentioned like accident prone zone. So please be careful when you drive. It is near Dharmapuri, so please be careful guys when you drive back from Aircard. And I really hope you enjoyed all our 3 vlogs of Aircard trip. Seriously missing the trips. Hope lockdown eases. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much. See you in another video soon. Allah Hafiz.